Hey guys, this will be some tutorial to make overlays. I'm using streamelements. Maybe it's different in Streamlabs, or it's really different in while you're using just the default default OBS. But it's like maybe it will help you. So I do it like this. If you don't have the streamelements like connected in a Twitch, you have to do it. It's like besides this, my dashboard is it gonna be connected with Twitch or connected with YouTube? You can do both. It's your choice. You can do overlays for both. In here. You can do like with theme galleries. It's easier, of course. So you have to select it from here, or you can do separately, just intro screens or something like that. It's already in here. Let's say we can do right click. It's easier. Hope it's easier. Okay, you can check it out how it will gonna look. How it's gonna look. I got the same screen, but I edited because I clicked out all those moving stuff. So whatever. You have to click my overlay. You have to name it. So just test maybe. Hope everything is visible. And here you can see it in all overlays. Here you can grab it. Uh, Important thing you have to use if you wanna check those stats over here. I mean those stats, right on here. You have to use stream elements as your bot in your chat. And here you're just playing. You can select what you don't want, and simply by pressing delete, you can delete it. You can move it around, like you see. Important thing, you have to have your OBS open, because you gotta see where it belongs. You know what I mean? So as I'm using 1280 to 720, because it's easier for decoding, even if it's bilinear decoding. So I have to move it and shrink. But if you do like 1080p, it's already set up for 1080p. Uh, you can just select here. You can do your alerts in here, or you can have them like defaultly gained. Everything. Well, by the way, the most important thing, everything you wanna do and you wanna have it saved. You have to press save every time you do some changes. Because otherwise it won't save. I don't know what else. You can also select. I forgot about it. You can also select if you get some not random, not random. If you get like pre-made user accounts on Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook, you can just simply write it down. Here you can select the type of the text. It's really intuitive, but unfortunately you have to everything do in this left bar. So there's nothing like in, I don't know. But this is only thing I do, like on my script. I do my overlays, so I don't know what's different between the others. But you can do nothing in here. As you can see, you have to do everything in here, like animation settings and stuff. You can also copy your layers if you wanna copy it somewhere else, just other overlays, and select it what you already have. Or you can copy it in here like this overlay and move it. You know, you know what to do. And after you're done, you have to save it and launch. If you press this icon, it's copied to your clipboard, and then you go. Give me a sec. I'll show you in OBS. Then you go in OBS. Select plus. Select browser. So it's in my language, but Since you wanna recognize what it is, you gotta name it. Here you're gonna paste, select the proper resolution you wanna have it. Fuck it up. Again. 720. And here you go, like disable the source if you're not using it. It's very handy because it's not hurting the CPU. So here we go. For me, it's taking a little time because my PC is not that much powerful. As you can see, you get it moved because this is not the resolution what it's made for. But give me a sec. This is what I was saying. You have to move it. You have to have it to move. Plus, yeah, I see it's not visible. Yeah. Okay. So here you have to select it on the left bar. Of course, I can see it because I already woke up. Yeah. This is make it visible. You can easily see if it's visible or not. It will go gray if you press it again. You have to move it somewhere it's about to see, and I'm usually moving like the first cam on the downside, and everything what I wanna have in this upper area, set it like a range where I can work with it. You can also select the capagen in here in the widgets. It's like hype cap is like just a cap for biddies and stuff. You get. It's like imaginary filling up the cup. Media request is also handy. Also handy app. It can show like the clips from your send requests. High bus. I don't know if you're familiar with it. High bus is your stream bus from Streamlabs, let's say. High top is the same. Where is it? Capagen. Yeah. You can add your. You can add your. mm, you can do your emotes visible on the screen, just following around. It's just it's really greedy for CPU, so I'm not using for those alerts. But if your PC is powerful enough, you can use it as well as your events and stuff. You can just choose it by in here. You can also select emotes that will be displayed, of course. And no matter where you select it, it will be placed. If you check this, use the entire screen for emotes. It will be flowing randomly through the screen. You just have to select it. Where is it? In here, just random or one of those. It's your choice. You can also select only even those emojis you want to use and Travis online. What the hell? Yeah, you can select also that. And you can also do limits in here. Nothing else in here I'm using. I don't know how to implement data from that bot. I still don't know it. So I'm only checking it from other overlays I already have and copying and pasting. Maybe to next time I can find what to do. And yeah, for showing you, you just have to move it on the palette. Let's say, move it on the screen here. You can save it. And to be visible, to make it visible, you just have to look at your OBS screen, and you can see the bow is visible in here. Nothing else. Only if you wanna select like on the background what you wanna stream, you have to select from those three. Honestly, one of that is not working for me. I'm always forgetting what it is. But this is like a standard game. You can select the process you already do, but I have nothing in here so far. So far, like So I can tell you. Most important thing, you have to make this selection really down below, because it will cover everything what you got under it. It's just really silly stuff, but most of the guys still doesn't get it. And you can select the window as well. I don't know why it's working now, but usually it's not working for me. And you can select a specific window to show. You just have to, because I'm doing the 1280 and my monitor is in 1080 p.m. You can select it from here. Yeah, it's not filling the screen. I don't know why, whatever. So this will be kind of all for creating my overlays. Hope it will helpful for you. If you have any question, just write it down on the YouTube channel chat if you want. If not, it's also okay with me. So whatever. Alright, peace.